Ever wondered why vitamins become increasingly crucial as we age, particularly for women over 40? As we journey through life's seasons, our nutritional needs evolve, and vitamins step up to the plate in maintaining our overall health. These microscopic powerhouses are the unsung heroes of our well-being, working tirelessly to keep us in our prime. From bolstering our immune system to enhancing our energy levels, vitamins play a significant role. Join us on this journey as we uncover the 8 essential vitamins that every woman over 40 should incorporate in her daily routine. First on our list is vitamin A, often hailed as the vision protector. This dynamic nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight, especially as we age, but its benefits don't stop there. Vitamin A is also a vital player in supporting our immune system and promoting cell growth. It's the behind-the-scenes hero in your body's daily performance. So remember to include vitamin A-rich foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach in your diet. Next up is vitamin B12, your body's natural energy booster. Often overlooked, this powerhouse vitamin plays a pivotal role in maintaining nerve function, creating red blood cells, and synthesizing DNA, the building block of human life. Its star role, though, lies in energy production. B12 helps convert the food we eat into glucose, fueling our bodies and keeping us energized throughout the day. So where can we find this vital vitamin? Foods high in vitamin B12 include fish, meat, poultry, eggs, and milk. Meet vitamin C, your immunity's best friend. This vital nutrient is a key player in boosting your body's defenses, warding off pesky invaders like colds and flu. It's also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from harmful free radicals. But that's not all. Vitamin C is a skincare superstar too, playing a crucial role in collagen production, keeping your skin healthy and radiant. So where can you find it? Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries are excellent sources of vitamin C. Let's shed some light on vitamin D, aptly named the sunshine vitamin. This remarkable nutrient plays a crucial role in our body. It helps us absorb calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. But that's not all. Vitamin D also contributes to cell growth and holds a significant role in bolstering our immune system. So how can you ensure you're getting enough? Aim for a few minutes of sun exposure daily and include vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products in your diet. Next, we have vitamin E, an antioxidant powerhouse. This remarkable nutrient works tirelessly to safeguard our cells from harmful free radicals, acting like the body's own personal security team. It's an integral part of our immune system, keeping it strong and ready to tackle any health challenges that come our way. So how can we ensure we're getting enough of this vital vitamin? It's simple. Incorporate more nuts, seeds, and leafy green vegetables into your diet. These are truly great sources of vitamin E. Let's not forget vitamin K, the master of blood clotting. This mighty vitamin plays a crucial role in our body's ability to clot blood properly, a function vital to our overall health. But that's not all. Vitamin K also shows off its versatility by contributing to the maintenance of strong bones, helping us stay sturdy and resilient. And where might we find this powerhouse? Leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamin K. Now that we've covered these essential vitamins, let's do a quick recap. We started with vitamin A, the vision protector, reminding us that our eyes need care as we age. Then we moved to vitamin B12, the energy booster, essential for maintaining vitality and zest. Next, we discussed vitamin C, the immunity warrior, which supports our body's defense mechanisms. We also delved into vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, crucial for bone health and mood regulation. We then highlighted vitamin E, the antioxidant powerhouse, a vital component for skin health and preventing cellular damage. Lastly, we touched on vitamin K, the blood clotting master, crucial for heart health and bone density. Each vitamin plays a unique and significant role in maintaining our health as we journey through our 40s and beyond. A balanced diet rich in these vitamins will support your body's needs and promote overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is key to getting these essential vitamins. Here's to your health and well-being.